Looks like it's time to clean my filter, which means I need to replace my filter up there. Way up there. Way up there. You want to actually set your thermostat higher than it actually is. We're gonna set it at 78 so that it will turn off. And wait for this to turn off. The AC stopped, and now I am getting my Filtrete 20 by 25 by 1 air filters. I'm gonna show you how to do this. This is the Filtrete Clean Living Basic Dust Filter. This one's for basically just dust and lint, and it tells you the filtration level so you can get various filtration levels. It can last up to 3 months. Generally, I've got to change mine about once every month and a half. Got my handy dandy ladder here, and I'm gonna head up there to get the old air filter out of here. Don't look down. Oh, that's so gross. Look at that. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this open, leave that hanging down. Take this nasty, disgusting air filter down. Gross. Now I'm gonna get the new air filter and take it up there. But before I do that, I'm going to turn the AC back on. Put it down below where it's at now. So it starts. So now when I take this up, it'll just suck it right up there. So when you install this, be sure you look at the direction of the airflow. So when you install this, be sure that the arrow is pointing up because the air is being sucked in. So you want the flow to go that way and through there. Stuff in there. All right, it's starting to pull it out. Look. All right, so look. Just get it kind of in there, and because the air's already going, boop, it just sucks it right up in there. Then I can just close this grate and latch it. Now my basic Filtrete air filter is installed. We got the Clean Living air filter. There are other air filters, allergen defense, there's allergen and odor reduction, and healthy living, which has all this stuff. We got the super basic one this time. When you're done, don't forget to reset your filter. Boom, it's reset. That should last me another month. There it is, way up there.